Anin Buju band members. Today is Thursday, February 10th. Starting off with the positive cases for the reservation. And there has been 3 new cases reported since Tuesday. And these numbers are current as of yesterday. So here they are for the District 1 and District 2A. 289 positive cases, and that includes the 3 new cases. District 2 is at 61, no new cases, and District 3 is 83, no new cases. So today I had a fun interview with WCCO, and the topic was the Mille Expands language program and our partnership with Rosetta Stone. And so Bill Primo, elder, who worked on the language videos, Babito, and myself, and we talked about the importance of the Rosetta Stone language program. And that will be on WCCO at some point. They didn't tell us when, but that is happening. I was in the metro area yesterday, had the opportunity to meet with Dr. Jill Biden, that's President's wife, and along with me to meet her were Chairman Darrell Seekey from Red Lake and Chairman Michael Fairbanks from White Earth. Also in attendance was Lieutenant Governor Peggy Flanagan and our Governor Tim Walz. So it was good to see everyone, to be able to visit and talk about the opportunities that the Biden administration has provided to tribes. And it's really good to know that when there are new initiatives, new programs, new ways of communicating, that tribes are always a part of that discussion. Yesterday was the band assembly meeting, and in the afternoon there was the joint session of the band assembly, which includes the District 1, District 2, and District 3 representatives, the Secretary Treasurer, and the Chief Executive. And we come together to make decisions on certain issues. So our meeting yesterday was regarding elections. So we certified all the candidates and school board members that are running for office. And you will see lots and lots of information about that on our website, who the candidates are, any of the election forums, the question and answer sessions that we have every election time. So look forward to that. In addition to certifying the candidates, we also certified the election board members. And so you have members that work in the election office and for the election in District 1, District 2, District 2A, District 3, and the urban area. And so to be a part of the committee members, you need to live in that area. So if you're in District 3, you have to live in the District 3 area. And all of those committees were filled as of yesterday. There is one that is not filled, and that is the urban area. So for all the urban folks that go to the urban polling place, you need to have a committee of election workers to be able to have that polling site. So we only had one individual that lives in the urban area apply for the position. So this is an urgent request to you band members that live in the urban area. Would you please consider being a part of the election committee in our election process? So if you are interested, you send a letter of interest to Brianna Boyd at millexband.com. And she is in the legislative department. She's the legislative director. Please, if you have an interest, sign up and be a part of that. We want to make sure that we continue to have our polling place in the urban area. So a little bit of update from some of the commissioners. Pete Naquanabe, Commissioner of Administration. They are reviewing all the band's policies and procedures and making sure that if there's changes, that those will be happening. There's also the opportunity for the band to apply for some state grants, and there's like 22 of them currently. And so the band will apply for all of those grants, and they're various throughout different areas, language, COVID, things of that sort. The DNR is working on what is called a truth project with the state of Minnesota, and we will hear more about that. We'll interview our Commissioner of Natural Resources, Kelly Applegate, and maybe we can put that in our newsletter to share that information with the band membership. The enrollments office, they need additional employees, and that is needed to rebuild the database files. And we've been talking about enrollments for many, many years. There were some resolutions that were passed at the MCT, also through the MCT, that there will be meetings every week to come up with language, to ask the voters how they would like to move forward with enrollments. A lot of recommendations. So your voice is needed in this. And so as we get options that could be on a ballot, a referendum during election time, we will share that with you. Also, the Child Support Office needs additional 2 more caseworkers. And if you have that support and interest, please apply. All of the postings of jobs are done on the website in the governmental buildings. So if you need a job or want to work, there are many employment opportunities for you, and we would really like to see you apply and be a part of providing services to our band members. With that, I would like to say good day, and I will talk to you soon. Be wage.